Five little frogs sitting by the lake, watching the flowers gently shake. Hop, hop, hop and splash around, making happy croaking sounds. Nice! One little frog jumped with delight, splashing water left and right. Four little frogs sang a song, croaking happily all day long. Happy! Four little frogs sat on a log, playing together in the fog. Hop, 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 and then one more jumped in the pond with a joyful roar. Three little frogs danced in the sun, catching butterflies and having fun. Splash and giggle, leap so high, watching fluffy clouds in the sky. Two little frogs sang Ribbit, Ribbit, jumping around and never quit. One frog splashed with happy cheer, leaving one little frog sitting near. One little frog smiled with delight, watching the stars shine so bright. Hop, hop, hop and splash away, five little frogs will return to play. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along, happy frogs and happy song. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, fun with frogs is always sweet. Five little frogs came back again, playing together in the summer rain, splashing water everywhere, croaking songs without a care. They chased butterflies in the air and saw pretty flowers everywhere. Jumping high and hopping low, around the pond they love to go. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along, happy frogs and happy songs. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, fun with frogs is always sweet. Five little frogs sat on a tree, looking at the buzzing bees. Hop, hop, hop and slide down fast, laughing loudly as they passed. They played together all day long, singing their favorite froggy song. Splash and jump and dance around, making joyful croaking sounds. Ribbit, ribbit, sing with me, happy as can be. Clap your hands and stomp your feet, five little frogs are really sweet. Hop, hop, hop and splash away, come back soon another day. Wave goodbye and sing this song, with happy frogs all day.